What's up guys, I'm going to show you how you can make anything glow in Photoshop. This works best with PNGs. So I have this PNG of Jet from the video game Valorant that I made in Blender. So the first thing you're going to do is duplicate the layer that your PNG is on. So there we go, doesn't matter what it's called. Then you're going to want to shift backspace on it. You're going to make sure contents says black, mode is normal, opacity 100, and then preserve transparency is on. That's really important if you have a PNG, or the whole screen will just turn black. So once it's on, the outline will turn black. Then you're going to want to double click on the preview down here on the black layer, and this is going to come up. You're going to want to go to outer glow and turn that on. You can copy my settings. I think these are the best settings for the glow, for thumbnails or profile pictures or really anything you want to make things glow. But you can go up and down, make it super bright, whatever you want. Make it super like thick like this, like that's crazy. But it really doesn't matter what you do. But after that, you're going to hit OK, and then pull this layer under that one, and there you go. It's pretty simple. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. We have 9 subscribers right now. Let's try to get to like 30 by next video. That would be crazy. I believe in you guys. But anyway, I'll see you next time.